Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard our Tuesday market outlook here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley, my call sign is Wiz, and folks, we are in the middle of it, full throttle. If you head to go.topgunoptions.com/FT, that stands for full throttle, you can register to attend the remaining 3 free live trade briefs. If you missed this morning's brief at 10 a.m., don't worry about it. I got you covered. The replay is posted. We closed a Goldman Sachs bearish trade from Friday. 92% profit, $3,300 in a couple of days, and we added to our model portfolio with an Amazon bear call spread. Take a look at the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 melting down today. So take a look at the S&P. Let's pull up today's chart. You can see kind of a gap open, and then we hovered and just kind of melted into the close. Let's take a look at Amazon. Pull up Amazon for today. Same thing as the S&P 500, just kind of melted into the close. Take a look at the S&P 500, though, folks. Look at this. Right here, we're touching the 200-day moving average. We're going to fail. February shit show's coming. We're going to get a big implosion, I think, back down here to 3,800. Look at this. The last 1, 2, 3 times we've had kind of a bear market rally up to the 200-day. It's failed. Rally, fail, rally, fail, rally. Keep rallying? No, it's going to fail. Guarantee you. So make sure you watch this morning's replay at go.topgunoptions.com/FT replay. That stands for full throttle replay. So you can take a look at that Goldman Sachs. Take a look at Goldman Sachs. We nailed it. This was a Friday trade. Friday, I sent this out to the Max Afterburner Lifetime folks and the hunters. Take a look at this. Goldman Sachs earnings and slam. Down 7-8% from when I put on that bear call spread right here. 92% profit, $3,300 on one trade. How we doing in a week and a half of trading? In this portfolio, a week and a half of trading, up $5,700. That's a year and a half, essentially 2 years of a full throttle membership with 2 trades. This S&P 500 trade was a bear call spread Friday morning or Friday afternoon. I forget when it was. It was just a couple-hour trade, in and out, $2,000. I'm going to teach you how to do all of this. Just register, go.topgunoptions.com/FT. We have 3 more briefs. One tomorrow morning at 10 Eastern, and 7 o'clock at night Eastern, and then 10 Thursday morning. Make sure you register, even if you can't attend these briefs, because I send out text alerts, email alerts, and you get access to the replay. So make sure you register to see what we are targeting for max profit, because it is going to be an interesting couple of months. We have Ukraine, still an absolute nightmare. We're trying to decide whether to keep arming Ukraine or arm ourselves. The Secretary of the Navy and a 4-star admiral last week said, yeah, in about 6 months, we're going to be out of weapons. Oh, that's great. Why? Because we're just funneling them into Ukraine, and it's working great, right? No. I mean, they haven't lost yet. They're not winning. Russia hasn't lost yet, and they're not winning. So let's just keep pumping more weapons, pumping more death, more destruction. Let's just keep funneling all the weapons we can in here and killing each other. Or maybe we can take a break for a little bit and maybe give peace a chance. But again, that's only me, Elon Musk, the Pope, and Henry Kissinger. Because God forbid you mention the P word, peace, you turn in a lot of peace here. Putin, plant, a Russian sympathizer, all sorts of stuff. Now, how about I just appreciate human life? Okay? Old me, trust me, old me would have swam across the Atlantic by now to jump into a MiG-29 to go kill as many Russians as I could. Now, the fuck's the point, man? What is the point of death and destruction? Putin's a complete idiot. He's a war criminal. He should be tried for everything he's done. But stop. Take a couple days, man. Let's just all get into a room. And trust me, if at the end of a couple days you guys can't work it out, go back to killing each other. But at least you tried. Anyway, 2023 is going to be a bigger shit show, bigger train wreck, bigger recession, bigger bear market. That is my prediction for how this year is going to pan out here. And we are going to print money as this happens. As I said, Goldman just sold on the news. Take a look at the chart of Goldman again real quick. This is called buy the rumor, sell the news. So look at the run up into earnings. Whenever you see the financials like this run up into earnings, it's called buy the rumor, sell the news. JP Morgan did it, Morgan Stanley did. Just about all the banks have bought the rumor and sold the news, except for a couple standouts there. Housing market is really starting to soften and pop. Interest rates are cranking up. Housing market softening. Inflation's raging. Interest rates are going up, man. This is just, it's a recipe for disaster. And oh, by the way, the Republicans and the debt ceiling, we run out of money on Thursday, folks. Did you hear this? Janet Yellen, our Treasury Secretary, we're broke. We've been broke for years, but we're broke. Thursday, we're technically out of money, but Janet Yellen, our Treasury Secretary, said she can use extraordinary measures to keep funding the government until the spring-ish. Get ready for an absolute insane clown car shit show, and we're going to print money off of it. The Republicans are already preparing an emergency plan for breaching the debt limit. We'll fund the Pentagon and old people's checks, but other than that, you need to cut spending. Joe Biden, nope, we're not cutting a dime. Get ready. We're going to trade volatility. We're going to trade the market implosion. And I'm telling you, we've done this before. This is why I loved when Obama was president. Yeah, I just said that. I loved when he was president because the idiot Republicans in the House and the Senate would bring us to the brinkmanship. Remember a couple times they actually shut the government down? It was free money, right? Because the bond market goes insane. The volatility index, the VIX goes through the roof and the market tanks. We ain't going to shut the government down forever, folks. This is a quick, tactical bunch of trades that we're going to place around this debt ceiling fight, and I guarantee you it's going to be free money. I hate when people use those terms, except when it's absolutely appropriate, and this is one of those times. But you're not going to, unless you're here, you ain't going to get it for free. So join these free briefs this week. We already knocked out one of 4 free briefs. Head to go.topgunoptions.com/FT, and you got 3 more to go. Watch today's replay. Get on the couch tonight and watch this one. It is worth it. Go.topgunoptions.com/FT. That stands for full throttle replay. Okay, 3 more free briefs, and then we're closing the doors for this quarter and getting airborne with or without you. Have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. God bless. Fights on, and namaste.